Welcome to Fly UAS Tutorials. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of installing the new WebODM 2026 installer. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to webodm.org, and press Enter. Click Download, then scroll to the bottom of the page to review the minimum and recommended system requirements for running WebODM. Please note that WebODM does not support 32-bit systems, so you'll need a 64-bit operating system. Once you've reviewed the requirements, scroll back up and click on Windows. Select WebODM Installer. You do not need Docker. Once the file has finished downloading, click Open File or run the installer to begin the installation process. When the warning message appears, click Yes to allow the setup to continue. From here, simply follow the prompts and leave all the settings at their default values. Once the installation is complete, keep the Launch WebODM option checked and then click Finish. WebODM will now open. Give it a few minutes to initialize. Once it's ready, you'll be presented with the WebODM welcome screen. Click About to check which version of WebODM you're currently running. When you're ready to begin your first project, click Dashboard and click Add Project. You can also open Administration tab to enable or disable WebODM plugins. Take some time to review the list and decide which plugins could be useful for your particular workflow. You now have free and powerful photogrammetry software that you can use without a subscription. You should definitely take some time to explore the WebODM documentation at docs.webodm.org. It's a great resource for becoming familiar with the software and learning how to use all its features to their full potential. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below or scan the QR code on the screen to join my Discord drone community. It's a place where we can connect, support one another, and grow together in the world of photogrammetry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. If you'd like to support the channel and help it grow, click the three dots, select Thanks, and choose your contribution. Any amount, no matter how small, is truly appreciated. And don't forget to hit the like button. It truly helps the channel grow. You can also support my videos directly from your phone. Simply swipe left, tap the Hype button, and choose your Hype points. You can also tap Thanks and select a contribution. Watch this video next to continue learning. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more drone mapping and photogrammetry tutorials.